Okay, so we continue, and now we're gonna have final table. So we're gonna have the final table row sorter. So it's gonna be the second one, final table row sorter, and this one has to be less than table, uppercase letter, table model, let me see, greater, and then sorter, okay, equal sign, let me see, 1 2 3. We're gonna have the new table, new table sorter, let me see, new table, okay, new table sorter, and inside of this angle brackets we are gonna have in our table. So we're gonna have our table model like that, and now in the parentheses we are gonna have our table model. So table model, okay, so semicolon at the end. And now we're gonna have in the result table, so we're gonna have result table dot set, let me see, set row sorter. So set row sorter like that, set row sorter, and we're passing sorter. Okay, so now we're gonna have the set size, and it's gonna be 500, and the second argument is gonna be 250 or 250, semicolon at the end. Then we're gonna have the set visible, let me see, in this, okay, set visible, and we're gonna set it to true, like that, true, semicolon at the end. And this one here set window size, and this one displays the window. Okay, so we're gonna go below final, and let me see here, table model, that's fine. Let me double check. So we have the table row sorter. Inside the angle brackets we have the table model sorter, new table row sorter, table model, that's fine. Result, that's set row sorter, we're passing sorter, yeah, that's fine. Now here we're gonna have our filter button. So we're gonna have our filter button that add action. So let me see, filter button that add action listener, and inside of this parentheses we're gonna have in the new, it's gonna be new action. So it's gonna be the new action listener. So oops, let me see, yeah, that's fine, new action listener, and it already open, let me see, action listen, it already open curly braces, that's fine. And inside of the curly braces, yeah, we don't need, yeah, Visual Studio Code automatically adds the semicolon at the end of the curly braces, but yeah, we don't need it. We just need a semicolon at the end of this parentheses. But inside of the curly braces of the new action listener, we are gonna have in our public, and it's gonna be public void, and it's gonna be action perform, and we are gonna pass in the action event and the lowercase letter e. Okay, and this is, let me see, public, yeah. To the next line we open curly braces again, and we are gonna have in the string. So we're gonna have a string text, and we're gonna set it to the filter text, okay, filter text that get text with parentheses, semicolon at the end. And let me see, so we're gonna go below, and we're gonna have an if statement. If if let me see, if text that length is equal to 0, 1 2 3. If text that length is equal to 0, then we're gonna have that the sorter that set row filter, yeah, and parentheses we passing null. If the text that length is equal to 0, we're gonna have the sorter that set row filter when we passing null. Else, and let me see, else we are gonna open curly braces, and here we're gonna have our try. Let me see, curly braces again, we're gonna have in the sorter, and too much space, 1 2 3. We're gonna have in the sorter that set row filter. We are open parentheses, and inside of this parentheses we are gonna have in our row filter, so our row filter that regex filter, and we are passing text and not one argument, just text. Let me see, sorter that set row filter that regex filter, we are passing text, semicolon at the end of the parentheses, that's fine. And below the try we're gonna have our catch, parentheses, and then curly braces. So here inside of the parentheses we're gonna have the pattern, so it's gonna be the pattern syntax exception, and it's gonna be, yeah, PSC. And now we're gonna have the J option pane, so J option pane that show message dialog, that's show message dialog